Alright guys, I thought since I'm in Karachi I should go and check out Gwadar.
We are officially entering into Hangu National Park and we'll be at Gwadar in about 4 to 5 hours. So what Great Ocean Road would look like 30-40 years ago. So that's exactly how this beach looks like. I'll give you a little tour. And I'm really excited what future brings. We are in Pakistan, Gwadar. This is an untouched beach and it's beautiful. Guys, I've touched the water of Indus in Hamza, Punjab, and I'm about to touch the Gwadar water, the other end of Pakistan.
This night is on and so are we. Lights went off but I can't see. The way your lips collide into a perfect smile, and how your hips move so sexy. You can go on, or you can hide on. Hold on tight, love race on.
Right. And the Silk Route started from
Silk Route starts from like,
Punjab, I think.
no, it starts from like Tajikistan,
Yeah.
Uzbekistan, Tajikistan to Pakistan.
Right.
Pakistan via Chitral.
Right.
And Chitral to like Hassan Abdal and all these areas. And
Nice. All the way
from
here.
these areas to Gwadar.
Right.
So Russia will get the hot water access, and China will get the access for the shortest route of Middle East, Africa, and
Wow. Oh, great. That's great.
And there is one more thing, like one road is coming from Europe, that is called international route,
Right.
which is connecting the world by road.
Right.
Europe to Georgia, Georgia to Tajikistan, the road is already there.
Right.
The next road they are going to construct is from Tajikistan to Pakistan.
Right.
So Europe, Russia,
Mhm.
and Central Asia, and then Pakistan. We
Wow.
Get connected, huh?
Wow. Thanks a lot for your insight. That was a lot of information, a lot of very useful information. And after hearing what you just said, that brings a lot of joy and excitement what Pakistan and what Gwadar holds for the future, economical future of Pakistan. So thanks a lot, Noman Bhai. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed that. Any questions, any comments? Right below.